Okay, so now we have these two failing unit tests. So what we want to do now is we want to actually implement the functions. Both of them is saying greet is not found. So what we want to do now is we want to go to our folder, say touch, we want to say greet.js, and we want to implement our greet function. So now we go here, we have greet here now, so now I want to say function greet. So we run this, we go here, we refresh. Okay, still no greet function. That's because we haven't linked our test, our function, to this file that our test is running in. So what we want to do now is we want to create a file here called greet.js. We want to do that above test.greet.js because the code here is running from top to bottom. We first load the function, and in this file we actually want to use the function. So if I go back here now, I refresh, see now there's an assertion error because it's saying hello Lendani to equal undefined. So what I can do now is I can go to my function and I can say return hello Lendani, and if I run that, what you should see how many tests will pass. Let's see. Cool. Okay, so one test is passing now because one test expects hello Lendani, and this one here expects hello Zola, but the function returns hello Lendani. So what I'm currently doing, I'm hard coding the response, which is not what I want to do. I actually want to take the parameter, the name that we're passing in, and I want to append that to my function. So I want to go in and I want to say Control S. I want to go back here, Control R, and now my tests are passing. So you can see now that we wrote a greet function that takes one parameter and then it builds a new string based on that parameter every time. And then you can see here we've tested that to see I'm exerting when I'm calling the greet function with Lendani that I want hello Lendani to come out, and if I want to create this one, I give it Zola, then I want this to happen. So I can actually create other tests now. I can say if I want to call Lichle, I should call hello Lichle. So if I run this now, it passes because in my test what I didn't change, I didn't say here that I wanted Lichle. So if I run that, that will fail because what I need is I need to make sure that I'm passing in Lichle, and now that's passing. So now I've stepped you through the whole way of setting up Mocha in the index.html file, making sure we're referencing the file that's containing the function, that we're referencing the test file, and we also had to set up the assert function here for this to work. So this is a whole end-to-end way of how I set up a basic Mocha test inside of the browser.